organ of a male, and that's the organ of a female.
It sure is.
Yes. So this rock is a proof that God accepts that a man and a woman are supposed to be together, or it's a man and a woman who is supposed to mate, not two men and not.
No cruise could give me this. You're my first love.
Okay, so he's saying that this particular rock is shaped like in the form of prayer. Yeah, so it's more like a praying rock.
Oh yeah.
So those days, the former, the forefathers, they believed that this particular rock was connected to God. So whenever they come, they put their hands on it. Yeah, it all depends on how fast we walk. Yeah, this is the key. Okay, so in those days, this is where our forefathers came to stay. Okay.
And you know, who's no more creative way the mono rocks no more. And one of the golds in diamonds she shared.
Yeah, so they used to hide their jewelries, gold, diamonds. Those were the holes that they dug to store or to hide their golds and diamonds and all stuff. So that's why those holes still remain here.
You know, palm branches and no more perform no more dust.
Yeah, so those days they used to cut off the palm trees. These palm trees, something like this. Yeah, so they cut it and they put it down here, and that's where they were sleeping. Yes. Oh, okay. Yes, really close. So every hole have its own specific sound that it brings. So the bigger hole, you see. So every hole.
There.
Hurry up.
Hey, can you hand me that bottle? Oh, I don't want to litter. You good?
Yep. I did, boo. Oh. I need this for my own footage. Thank you.
What's your steps?
I want to go down to the water. Mommy Oshun.
All the kills
Mommy Ocean. Yeah, yay.
So our forefathers, when they go to war and they come back to our farming, this was their forefathers.
Yeah, yay, Ocean.
They praise themselves and later that's it. Bro, tell them how I told that on me, why?
You got me? Yay, yay. Yay, yay.
Charges all. You will need some music up there.
How was the hike?
It was worth every step.
Yes.
It kicked my ass. It blessed my whole life. I
Yes.
conquered climbing a mountain.
Yes.
Then never think
And
I
girl,
could
I
do this.
promise you, we were sexy the whole time.
The whole time. I never pictured me climbing a mountain.
We love you, Zinka.
If y'all see me with my personal trainer
y'all.
when I do the Jack and Jill ladder, I cry.
Yeah, so this be good. Because you get to ride through all the villages and then you get to get real personal with Mama Africa. You get to be all up in her hills and her mountains, her caves, her rocks, her greenery. You know what I'm saying?
And she just embraced it.
Yeah. So this be the real first day right here. Yesterday really wasn't. Yesterday was good, but today is the real first day. Yes.
Yeah.
You all have connected
Yes,
with the land of your mothers and your fathers.
motherland.
The motherland for real.
Mama Africa!
The sun has kissed us.
Absolutely. Beautiful day.
The wind has cooled us. The ground has held us.
Yes.
We are here.
But it's better.
Yes.
We climbed all the way up that mountain.